Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. Today's card features a stamp set called simply Succulents. It's a simple one-layered card featuring a lot of coloring. If you wanted to recreate this design, you could also use so many different coloring mediums. I do want to mention that I have an online class featuring this stamp and die bundle. And one thing to note is that this bundle is at a discounted price until May the 4th. And then after May the 4th, we're going to have to pay full price. So we all like a savings, right? I've started off with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I always start with the sentiment first, and then I ink up the larger stamp so that I know where I'm going to be stamping that and I don't run out of room for the sentiment. I am using my little grid mat for the Stamparatus, and it has a whole bunch of papers on it, so it's just a paper pad, and it is a medium that I like to color on because it draws the alcohol ink away from the paper. Like from the top, it goes all the way through and it will absorb on the bottom so that I have less leakage or like spread of the color. The spread of the color would happen if you're on a non-porous surface. All right, so you saw what I did there. I laid down where the shadows would be on this particular succulent with the dark. I went in with the light, and then I'm going in and coloring the tips a different color. And I know green and pink don't usually work except in succulent land, and then they do. And then I go over everything again, all like even the purple with my Granny Apple Green light. And then that seemed to bring this succulent to life. It was perfect. It had to have a nice blend with the pink on it. Aside from that, there's so many different colors that I use that I'll probably bore you if I tell you all about them. This is a new color called So Soft Succulent. The pink that I used on the tips was Fresh Freesia. There's also, I brought in some Pool Party here. I've had all the lovely light colors. I even used a little bit of Daffodil Delight. But I am just going to leave you here and play some music, and you can watch me color. It's not too long. I sped it up, and I'll catch you at the end. All right, here I am back again. I've used a mint macaron card base, and I'm just using my Stampin' Seal Plus dry adhesive to adhere the card front to the card base. And that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.